Hello my friends, my name is Kanan and today we will have small talk on Python for financial operations. Recently I needed some package or some script to get stock information, and I did some research. I found few very useful articles, and one of them is from DataCamp, and it's a quite small piece of code. That's what I needed. And today we will check this code and try to get stock information. First of all, I'd like to check this package. It's a Python package. I see that it's based on pandas. I assume that it's based on pandas. Let's go to GitHub and search for this package. I think that it will be. Yes, I see it, PyData. Actually, it is from PyData. So I assume that it will be quite useful for getting information. Extract data from a wide range of internet resources into pandas data frame. I like it. So let's check. I don't like it's failing. I assume that they will fix it, but I see it's updated quite recently. So it's 1 month ago or something like this. So let's give it a try. Let's copy this code. Move to terminal. First I will move to my repositories folder. It is coder logger. Let's create a directory called tutorial stock data, for example. Directory. And I always start with creating of virtual env. So let's start with a virtual env. It is venv, and Python is a Python 3. Always use Python 3, don't use Python 2. And now let's activate our environment. It is being activated. And now we need to install our package. Not this one, go away. Pip install, and name of the package, let's copy paste. What you do as a software engineer, I do copy paste, okay. And now we can open our Python and let's copy paste line by line. So first we import our package, then we need datetime, and then of course we'll get Apple's stock data. So let's copy paste. I see we don't have error, and let's just print it. That's it. I see that we have information from 2006 to 2011. I like that with a few lines of code you can get stock data without doing any data extraction or scrapping. That's always good. And that's why I actually like Python, because you can put few lines of code and get and do a lot of stuff, actually, from automation to, I don't know, to data science and etc. That's it for our video. As I said, it is a small talk. I will try to have it on daily basis on different software development topics. I will do them as let's say as live as possible, so you will see all the process, how I get information, how I generate project, test some new code, so you can repeat by yourself. I think today's example was quite useful also for beginners, because it's quite simple. You don't need to do advanced stuff in Python. Let me know in comments what you think about this topic and about this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.